Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to Guiding Star. This is my second video for the student of class 6. Today I will try my best to discuss about the creative question number 2. So let's start. At first I will talk about the questions. In creative question number 2, in the picture there are three figures. They are mentioned X, Y and Z. So first question is, what is boiling point? Second question, what do you mean by thermal conductivity? Third question, how the substance shown in figure X can be converted into the substance shown in figure Z? Explain. Next question, analyze that the materials shown on all the three figures are made of same matter. So from the question we can understand X is a solid matter, Y is a liquid matter and Z is a gaseous matter. So first question is, what is boiling point? So we already know this, the temperature at which a liquid begins to vaporize is called boiling point of the liquids. If you consider water, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Now I will talk about what do you mean by thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity is the ability of material to conduct heat through it. If thermal conductivity is more, then material can pass heat through it very quickly. Suppose you can consider the solids. Solids have highest thermal conductivity. On the other hand, liquids have low conductivity levels and gaseous even lower. That means least conductivity. Now third question is, how the substance X transform into substance Z? So in the figure, X represent a solid matter and Z represent a gaseous matter. So now we have to discuss about the conversion of X into Z. We already know this. When water remains in the form of ice, it is in solid state. Here, figure X represent ice. Molecules are tightly close to each other in solid state like ice. If we add heat to ice to its melting point, it will start to melt and become liquid water. Here we can also see a figure Y. Figure Y represents the liquid state, which is water. If we add heat to water to its boiling point, it will start to vaporize and become water vapor. That means then it will turn into Z. That means water vapor. So we can say that ice can be converted into water vapor by adding heat. The fourth question is, how the three substances are made from same matter. So in the figure, X represents ice. That means it looks like ice cream. So it indicates the solid state. Y represents water, that means liquid state, and Z represents water vapor, that means gaseous state. We know that there are three states of matter, but matter can change from one state to another when heat is added or removed. If we add heat to ice to its melting point, that means 0 degrees Celsius, it will turn into liquid water. If we add heat to water to its boiling point, that means 100 degrees Celsius, it will turn into water vapor. Again, if water vapor is cooled, then it will turn into water. And again, if water is cooled, then it will turn into ice. So even with all of these state changes, the substance stays the same. That means it is still water. So which consists of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom in its molecule. So we can say this ice, water and water vapor are the states of same matter. In three states they contain same molecules. So I think you have already understand all the questions. If you have any questions, you can comments me. I will try my best to give your answer in the next video. Assalamu Alaikum.